So you want to supercharge your creativity? Well, you're in the right place. Companies like Netflix, M&S, and ASOS trust us to boost their creative thinking skills, to unlock fresh ideas and drive innovation in their companies. How to be a Creative Ninja is our signature course, and it's our most popular with good reason. You'll learn better ways to brainstorm, to collaborate, and to think differently. It's been described as a brilliant way to demystify creativity and a fire hose of information. It's fun, it's fast-paced, and most importantly, it's practical. We'll teach you all our favourite go-to creativity tools, and you'll practice them in the workshop on your live business challenge. This is not just creative training, it's creative doing. In just 2 hours, you can be more confidently running that brainstorm and generating a fresh stream of creative ideas by yourself or in a group. More than 25,000 people have now taken our courses. They're often agency folk working in marketing, PR, and social media companies who all want to be at the top of their game. If you want to be more confident and develop these in-demand skills, then you can book or inquire directly from the links below.